Locked out of your Samsung J4 Plus after a factory reset and can't remember the Google account details? Don't panic, because today, I am going to guide you through a quick method to bypass that Google account verification. First, power on your Samsung J4 Plus and begin the initial setup process. Until you reach the Wi-Fi connection screen, make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now, tap on Add Network in the network name field. Type any random text. Long press on the text you just typed until options appear above it, then select Assist. This will open Google Assistant in the Google Assistant search bar. Type Chrome and tap on the Chrome app icon when it appears. Once Chrome is open, search for FRP Bypass app. Download any reliable FRP Bypass APK file from a trusted source. Before installing the APK, Chrome will ask you for permission to install from unknown sources. Go to Settings and enable Allow from this source. Install the FRP Bypass APK file you downloaded and open it. You'll typically find an option within the app that says Open Settings app or similar. Tap that. Navigate to About Phone and find the build number option. Tap on the build number rapidly 7 times to enable developer options. Now go back to the main settings menu and tap on developer options. Enable OEM Unlocking. Finally, restart your Samsung J4 Plus. After the restart, you should be able to complete the setup process without being prompted for the Google account verification, and there you have it. Please remember, this method is intended for users who have genuinely forgotten their account details.